Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the first episode of the tearing down and rebuilding of my house. And here I'm in the middle floor, the main floor. This is the hallway that's leading to the bathroom, right in the center of the main floor. The walls need to be taken down, adjusted, and rebuilt to align the new walls in the living room and the new master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom that I'm going to build, and meeting a lot of challenges along the way. I don't think I have gotten more than 1 centimeter without problems in this house, but that's life. That's what happens when you rebuild an old house. Yeah, the best thing you can do for yourself is to get decent tools right away. Don't wait until you are half finished with your project. If you know you're gonna do a lot, get the tools. Borrow from friends or buy the tools. You can always sell them. You just go into the local hardware store and tell them what you are gonna build or what your project is, and they will help you and ask for a good offer for everything. Then you ask how good offer they can offer you, and make them write it down and print it out to you. And then you can take that offer and go to another store and ask if they can do it better, or you tell the first one that I'm gonna ask the other stores, so maybe they go and give it even cheaper. Okay. Yeah, this series is one of the best tools ever. It's a laser, so you get everything right, and you can measure it all the way around. It's a very cool tool, and you're gonna love it if you buy one. Here I'm working with the old walls, and it's very hard to work with because they used to use only nails. Now it's screws, so you just screw everything out. But when it's old, it's paint on and everything.